Ready to navigate OME without the cringe and potential hazards? First, download OME from your app store. But before you even open it, take a minute to understand what you're getting into. OME connects you with random strangers from all over the world, which means experiences can vary wildly. Step 1 is crucial. Familiarize yourself with OME's community guidelines. These rules are in place to keep everyone safe and ensure respectful interactions. Things like nudity, hate speech, and harassment are strictly prohibited, and violating these guidelines can get you banned. Next, think about your environment. Ensure your background is clean and doesn't reveal personal information like addresses or sensitive documents. Good lighting also helps you present yourself clearly and confidently. Guard your personal information fiercely. Avoid sharing your full name, age, exact location, or social media accounts. Remember, once something is online, it can be very difficult to remove, so be proactive with your privacy. Luckily, OME has safety features. If someone makes you uncomfortable or violates the guidelines, use the report and block functions immediately. Don't hesitate to protect yourself and help the community at the same time. Remember, OME can be a fun way to meet new people, but it's essential to prioritize your safety and well-being. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of having a positive and responsible experience. Stay safe, stay smart, and happy chatting.